Today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with VPN editor. Yes, step by step. We will cover how to create a brand new project and add some eye-catchy text animation, and even how to include captions in your video. Yes, this is what we're going to do today. So whether you're a beginner or just looking to level up your editing skills, this video got you covered. Now let's dive right into it.
Hi guys, yes, I hope you're doing good. Here is your Tech Studios. Into this video we're going to look at how to create a new project, add text animation and edit a text. Yes, so it is simple as I said it earlier. So what we are going to do is, let's open our VN application. So this is the app that we are going to use. Now let's open it. So after opening it, this is what you're going to do. We are going to look at how to create a new project. Now let's look at the plus sign here. So you have to tap on the plus sign here. So to create a new project, the first thing that you have to do is to tap the plus sign here. Alright, so now let's do that quickly. So now we've tapped on the plus sign and you have create AI market library, and we have photo edits, beat clips, create templates, overlay and stories. Yes, beneath it we have new project. Yes, we are on the steps to create a new project. Yes, so now let's tap on new project. So when we tap on new project, we are going to import or upload the video or the thing that we want to do in VPN editor. Yes, so now let's tap on new projects. Now it has led us to our gallery. So what we are going to do is we have to upload the video. Let me upload this video here. I have this video here, let me upload it. All right, so now we have created a new project. So this is how to create a new project in VN editor. Yeah, so what we have ever dreamed of creating, we are going to look at how to add text. So let's assume this video we want to add text to it. What we're gonna do is we have text animation here. So now let's tap on it. So after tapping on it, we have title. Yes, title. Now let's tap on it. So we can add any text we want. We can add any template. We have so many templates here. Let's assume we want to use this template. So we have to clean everything here, then we start. We can write enjoy with us. All right, so this is the text. So now we can edit the text by increasing the font. Yes, so we can increase the font, can also decrease it. Now we can also edit this text by making the timeline long, and we can exchange or change the color of this particular text. Yes, so as the videos move on, the color will also continue to change by adding keyframe and other things. So we are going to add keyframe, then we tap on the color here. So after tapping on the color, let's select red for the meantime. Yes, we are done. Then we click on this particular place. So now let's move it forward a little bit and also click on what's add keyframe. Let's tap on the color here. Let's choose blue. All right, let's do the same thing. So we are going to repeat the same thing to change the colors. Yes, so let's do that. So this is how to change colors of a text. Yes, the color of a text when editing in VN editor or using VN editor. It is simple and does not require a complicated step. So now you can do it. So the time you feel it's okay, so you can stop at that particular place. All right, so now let me continue. So repeat it for A to see your taste. Yes, let's move on. All right, so another keyframe. All right, so this is how it is. So now let's check it and see. All right, I'm coming. Let's check it and see. All right, so now let's try it. Let's try the test. Yes, so you know the test is going to change. Yes, so as it reaches the second one, it's gonna change. Yes, it is simple. Yes, so this is how to add text in VN editor. Yes, so we are done with this one. We can also look at how to add a caption. Yes, a caption. So now reading this place, you have auto caption. So now let's tap on it. All right, so we have English. So now you can choose your language. Yes, but you can set it to automatic and it will pick it towards directly. Yes, so now you know we want it to be in English, so now let's choose English. We're done with that one. Then now let's tap on convert. All right, so now it's gonna convert our video and write the caption for us. Yes, so now let's wait for it to do. It's still loading. Let's wait for it to load. Yes. So this is how to add text, create a new project, and also add a caption to your video. Add a caption to your video. Yes. So now let's wait for it. It's still loading. It's still loading. The video is very long, so you have to wait until it's fully created. All right. Yes, so you can go ahead and like this video and subscribe. Yes, if you find this video helpful. Yes, your text videos, as I said it earlier, we bring you the best about text tips and technology. Yes, including hacks and things that will help you for you to improve in your technology. Yes, so it's still loading. Let's wait for it to load. So now our caption has been generated. So now let's tap on done. So when you look at the timeline, we have a captions here, so you can look at it. We have one. Yes, so you can edit it to see it artist. So now here is the caption. Yes, so now let me play it. I'm coming. Let me increase
So
the
this is the prompt.
all right, so now let's listen.
Yes, so you can tell ChatGPT to generate a prompt for you, like create a cartoon style character in the Pixar, a cheerful man, age 20 to 22, with expressive eye.
All right, so this is how to add a caption to a video in VN editor. It is simple and does not require any complicated step. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Share the video for others to also benefit. If you don't understand anything in this video, you can just leave your comments in the comment section